Cloud integration. Cloud integration and cloud data integration tools have opened a world of new opportunities for organizations, businesses, and schools wanting to connect different systems. myViewBoard has this incredible feature of binding Google Drive on the whiteboard to access data that one has stored in his or her drive easily. Let's take a look how. First, you need to go on Google and enter the URL myviewboard.com. This will be the landing page. After this, you need to click on Sign In. Once you click there, you need to enter your credentials. After that, you need to click on Follow Me Settings right here. As you can see my cursor, when I click on Follow Me Settings, on the left hand side as your second option, you will find Cloud Integration. Click on the drive that you would want to bind with your myViewBoard account and you will be easily able to access that when you open the whiteboard. So I would like to bind my Google Drive right now. When I click on this bind, it asks me to choose which account do I want to bind with. So now, when I click on allow here, so did you see how easy it is? This way you don't have to carry your data to different places. And by simply signing in into your myViewBoard, you will have access to all the data that's there in your drive. Do give this a try. Thank you.